Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows Update error code 80x800f084f. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's get start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters and run the Windows update. Click next to continue and close it. The second method is that in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click run as administrative privileges. After doing this step, type a command is net space stop space WUAUSERV and press enter. Type a command is net space stop space bits. Type a command is net space stop space crypt svc. Type a command is net space stop space ms msi server. After that, type a command is rnc column backslash windows backslash software distribution space software distribution .old and press enter. After that, type a command is rnc column backslash windows backslash system32 backslash catroot 2 space catroot 2.old. After that, type a command is net space start space WUAUSERV and press enter. Type a command is net space start space bits. Type net space start space crypt svc. Type net space start space msi server. Type exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After doing this step, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash check health. Type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash scan health. After that, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. After that, type a command is sfc space slash scan now. Now it's required to restart your computer. So exit it, and after doing this that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. Okay guys, the last method is that open any browser, go to your any search engine and type a Windows 11 download. Click on first link, scroll down and click on download now. Create Windows 11 is installation media. Click on download now, save button. After doing this step, open it. Click on accept button. Click on next button. Select the ISO file. Click on next button. Save any location. The process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. Okay guys, after completing that, click on finish it. After that, go to your save location. In my case is in download section. So open it, open a setup. Now after that, click on next button. Now after that, automatically restart your computer, and after restart your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel. You can see that in my cases my PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement, and if your computer is according to your Windows 11 requirement, then it's automatically restart your installed and restart your computer. After doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.